Hi boys and girls, today's sight word booklet is the word to. I am going to do this work with you. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write our name on our booklet first so we know whose booklet it is. Do you like to go to the store? Do you hear that word to a couple of times? It's not the number 2 like I'm counting 1, 2 fingers. It's going somewhere. It's giving a direction. I like to go to the store. We're going to first color in our sight word. So we want to color in our T and our O. Now, this is why we call them a sight word sometimes, because we want to just look at the word and we want to know what it says. This word here, some of the words in our language, we have a crazy language. And some of the words in our language, you really can't sound out. If I did these two sounds, t, ah, it would be ta. Or if I did an O sound, t, O, it would be toe. And toe, if I want to talk about the big toe on my foot, toe would be spelled in a different way. And so sometimes we just have to see these words and remember what it says. And this is one of those, because this says an oo sound, to. That O is saying oo. And it really doesn't follow any rules. It just is kind of being its own thing. So it doesn't really make sense. So that's why we are just going to remember that T-O spells to. All right, we're going to write the word to, T-O, 3 times. The T is tall. It's going to start up at the top, come down, and cross on the dotted line. My O starts at, I'm sorry, I said the T starts at 2 o'clock. The T is tall and starts at the top line. The O starts at 2 o'clock. Underneath the dotted line, go up to the dotted and around. The T is tall, cross on the dotted, and then 2 o'clock for my O. The T is tall, and then 2 o'clock for my O. T-O spells to. T-O spells to. T-O spells to. Now we have to find that word to in these boxes, and I want you to color in all the boxes with the word to in them. I want you to color all those boxes with the word to. Make sure you are staying in the box. In the box. T-O spells to. That's kind of dark. Maybe I'm going to change my color. I'm going to color it to a lighter one because now I can see my letters better. I'm going to look at T-O spells to. Just like in my one of my other words that we did, the T makes this little curve at the bottom. And that sometimes happens. That's a different font. That's not T-O. Oh, do you know what this word is? Do you remember that is a sight word? That's C. You got it. Now I have my word to. I'm coloring in to. That is not T-O. That's a D-O. There's a T-O. That's not T-O. Oh, here's one. T-O. They just crossed it way near the top, didn't they? On that T. And now I'm going to count. Did you find it as many times as I did?